Good day, kids! Sa palagay niyo ba, masasagot ng isang 5 years old itong multiplication na 3 times 9? Ano sa palagay niyo? Mamaya, ito ang ating pag-uusapan, multiplication for early learners. Pero bago ang lahat, i-introduce ko muna ang ating mga characters. Ito si Proje B, ang palakang B. At ito naman si Basketball. At ito naman si Magic Stick. At dito sa Group B, dito natin ilalagay ang lahat ng mga objects kagaya ni Froggy B, Sticks, at saka si Ball. Sa ating mga susunod na examples, gagamitin natin ang tatlong character nito upang tayo ay makapag-count at makukuha natin ang product as a result of multiplication. Si Group B o ang quadrilateral shape ay gagamitin natin upang pagsasama-samahin ang mga magkakaparehong object. The first example is 1 times 0. This means that the first number refers to the group and the second number, 0, refers to the number of objects inside the quadrilateral shape. In this example, 1 times 1 means one group with one object. The next example indicates that there are two groups with one object each. Tell me the product. You have to count all the objects inside the different groups. Means 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 3 times 1 indicates that there are three groups with one item each. Therefore, 3 times 1 is equal to 3. How about this one? 4 times 1. It means that there are 4 groups with one item each. Therefore, the product of 4 times 1 is equal to 4. The next item is 5 times 1. That means there are 5 groups with one item each. Product is 5. The next example is 6 times 1. That means there are 6 groups with one object each. Therefore, the product of 6 times 1 is equal to 6. What about this example? 4 times 4. This means that it has 4 groups with 4 members each. Let's count all the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Therefore, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. How about this one? 6 times 0 is equal to what number? Bakit 0 ang multiplier? It's because there is no object inside the group. When a number is multiplied by 0, it is always 0. What does it mean by 1 times 2? It means there is one group with 2 members each. Therefore, the product of 1 times 2 is equal to 2. What does it mean by 2 times 2? There are 2 groups with 2 members each. And the product is equal to 4. 3 times 2 means 3 groups with 2 members each, and it is equal to 6. 4 times 2 means there are 4 groups with 2 members each, and it is equal to 8. 5 times 2 means 5 groups with 2 members each, and the product is equal to 10. The next one is 6 times 2. That means there are 6 groups with 2 members each. And what do you think is the product? Yes, it is 12. It says here 1 times 0. Oh yes, there is one group with no element inside, and that is why the product of 1 times 0 is equal to 0. How about this one? 1 times 1, this means one group with one item. And the product of 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Now, it's your time to find the product of the following. You will read the expression and then answer the product. You will say 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Read and answer. 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 Sa mga magulang na interesadong mag-join sa aming program, search lang po sa FB IVFC Tutorials, Inquiry and Registration. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa iVolunteer for Filipino Children.